so not doing too badly, 2% now at 533. Move on to Parsvnath, which is up 3.5% today. Some news reports on further stake sales coming in on individual properties. Pradeep Jain has joined me to talk about that. Pradeep, morning. There's some talk that you're likely to sell part stake in your Sonipat project to some private equity firms. Can you take us through what is going on there?
Morning, Udyan. Yes, we are in talk with a couple of private equity investors out of our housing project on NH1, that is in Sonipat, just a few kilometers away from Delhi border, as well as in Dharuheda, another housing project on NH8 towards south of Delhi.
What could potential valuations be of that project, and what are you likely to do with the cash that you get?
I think the valuation is too early to determine. Whatever the cash we are raising that cash only for the project execution, and the private equity investor will put the money for execution of that project.
Pradeep, morning. For core NCR projects as well, are you in discussion with any stake buyers?
See, both the projects are within the NCR. And as you know, the couple of private equity investments already we are enjoying out of our 4-5 projects. The 3 large investors, they already invested out of our Delhi and the NCR projects in Ghaziabad, Gurgaon and Delhi.
You had bid, I understand, for the Rail Land Development Authority, and then money will be due very soon. You will be able to pay up that 300 crores plus?
See, we bid this property in the month of November in 1,651 crore. The 20% money need to be paid, that is about 330 crore. And that 330 crore rupees already paid to RLDA in the last week of March. And now for next 18 months, there is no money to be paid to the government, and the project is fully funded for next 18 months through our own equity and money invested by the private equity investor Radford Capital.
At the end of this fiscal, you will report your numbers sometime later this month. What would be your total debt now, net debt at the end of FY11, and what's the target to bring it down to by the end of FY12, the next fiscal?
Our debt situation is around 1,200 crore net debt as on today, and this debt on continuous basis we keep reducing month-on-month basis, and within the current financial year we expect the substantial reduction into the debt through the internal accrual. As you know, we are owning one property in the Connaught Place on KG Mark, and that property almost about to start. We are expecting the building plan release from the local authority within next couple of weeks, and the total area is about 140,000 square feet, and the expected realization about 900 to 1,000 crore rupees out of that project.
Thanks, Pradeep, for joining in. That's Parsvnath with a few details of CAB unlocking some money from existing projects. 4.5% up, that stock now at 48 rupees. The market's recovered from the day's lows, now trading above 58.80. So it's one more of those flattish nifty sessions. Mid caps are doing better. We'll come back after the break, speak to Kishore Biani on Pantaloon, and get you many other interesting voices.